Have you been wondering why your painting looks grey and washed out, even with expensive, high-quality watercolor paints? That's a very common question for beginners, as paints are diluted by the water on paper, which results in us adding paint again and again, trying to make the color bolder. It would seem to have effectively made the colors bolder, however, once the paint has dried, you'll notice it appears a bit paler again. Before you give up on these paints and move on to another brand, you can simply fix this issue by adding more layers. The trick is, after this greenish painting gets totally dry, give the background a wash and paint the second time using exactly the same colors. Then wait until it's 100% dry again, redo the same process. After the third layer of paint is bone dry, you will see the painting looks more vivid with more saturation, even though you haven't changed the paint brand. Keep in mind that using pastel colors or very pale colors will always result in fainter colors, so if it looks pale in a tin already, it will only look even paler once diluted with water and painted. And also, it's very necessary to use 300 GSM watercolor paper if you want to paint using wet on wet technique throughout this whole background.